I'm building again. Yeah, we building another bed. And I'm going to tell you why in a minute. A lot of y'all ask me how I get these things up the stairs. See, the last bed frame I did, my big baby helped me. This one, my big baby at school. So I had to open that thing up at the bottom of the stairs, take a little break because I was out of breath, take that daggone hoodie off. And I had to take it up there piece by piece. You see, I had to keep convincing myself and thinking about it. Yeah, I had to get it up there piece by piece. And I put all the small parts in the bag and went on up. Now, y'all know my baby already, my small baby, my little baby, he already had a room transformation or whatever. But when he saw them lights on my big baby bed, oh, he felt some type of way. He actually had a temper tantrum. Yeah, me and his dad had to have a conversation with him because he was not happy, even though his room had been done from the last house. But look at this. I bought this from Amazon and those bars won't stay on anyway. So I just decided it was time to give him his big boy bed. And then look at that. I found a tip under the bed and he don't even know it's coming. Now, again, I got this bed frame from TikTok and it's a nice bed frame. Now, I will say the instructions were not very clear to follow, but I'm a builder, obviously. I'm Bobbiana, remember? So I went ahead and I just, deciphered it. I read over it right here. I'm just laying here contemplating how I actually got a 6-month notice from my job, which is TikTok. That's crazy. We'll talk about that another day. It really wasn't hard to put. I love when I can do it like that. It's just so satisfying. It really wasn't that hard to put together. It was more so that it was so many different pieces to put together. There's a lot of pieces in this bed frame. I always lose that daggone Allen screw. When you're putting stuff together by yourself, you just got to be strategic. You see how I thought that through and it worked? Yeah. Guess who gets sick in the middle of the bedroom surprise transformation? Let me go get my baby. Lord, the surprise. It's okay. I need to go make sure my baby all right. I'm gonna keep him downstairs on the couch till I get done. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I just made him stay downstairs and lay on the couch. Put some soap and some spray. So I'm gonna clean and get finished. Have me listening. Now I gotta hurry up. As I said before, there's a lot of pieces in this, but you can see it coming together. And I'm mama. I'm gonna figure it out. And I'm Bobbiana the builder. I done told y'all that before. I made a joke on the last bed building video saying that I was gonna start a business building furniture. Let me tell y'all something. This ain't fun for me. I'm just very much ADHD and bipolar. And once I get started doing something, I got to see it through. And my kids are spoiled. Got to see it through, my boy. This was interesting to me because I'd never seen a bed frame like this where you actually added the design onto the back. It's pretty cool and it ended up looking really nice. This is the bed frame by itself. And honestly, if it was my bed, I would leave it just like this. But we're talking about the kid who was upset about lights on their sibling's bed. So we got a little strip light thing from Walmart. And luckily the headboard has a little lip on it. So it hid it behind it and you didn't see it from the front of the bed. This is what the lights look like. I think it looks pretty cool, especially with the lights off. I think he's going to love it. All right, part 2 of the big boy bed surprise for my handsome. His mattress wasn't that heavy and I was able to drag it in the box and drag it in the room and pop that thing right on up out of there. Look at me. I feel so accomplished doing stuff by myself. Look at my face once I get this thing. Look. Yeah, I did that, okay? I was so excited they sent the little slicer thingy because it is hard to open these mattresses with regular scissors. I'm gonna keep this thing forever. Y'all know I was scared because I done got popped in the face by one of these. But luckily the expansion was not bad at all. I did not get hit. It didn't pop out. And I was actually surprised at how soft it was. It has the little beads on the bottom so that it's like anti-slip beads. Love that. And look how soft it is. That thing is, you sink into it. And of course it takes 24 to 48 hours to expand completely to its full size. Now, even though I had just bought him NARUTO sheets for his twin size mattress, I went and bought full size one. Child, I was trying to put the sheets on the bed and I laid down and I kind of just melted. I almost went to sleep. I had to remember that baby had came home sick and I got to get done with this so he can see his new bed. I used the same comforter from his last bed. It's a twin size. I know it's a little too small, but it's his favorite blanket. And I went ahead and added his Itachi blanket too. And this was the final look of the room for now because we're adding more stuff to the wall because he wants to. It looks really, really nice in there. I think he's gonna love it. Ali, come here. I'm coming. Come here, please, son. I need you to see something in your room. Okay. You are so silly. Do you like it? Thanks, Mom. You like it? You got a big boy bed. That is a big boy bed.
Rainbow.
You like it a lot? Turn the light off. Isn't that so cool? He's so funny. Isn't that awesome? You got lights now. You like it? Oh. I guess you ain't feeling too too sick no more, huh? Glad you feel better. I'm glad you love your room. Is your bed soft?
Yes.
Okay, see, I'm glad we got those wooden planks, because...
Red and green. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm a pause.
Okay.